everyone, welcome to Corridor with Vaishali, where everyone comes to love, laugh, live the moment and inspires all to live our life in its authentic way. So today, where we are, you can see Daksha from Rudra Entertainment.
Hello.
Hi Daksha, welcome to Corridor with Vaishali.
Hi Vaishali, thank you.
Awesome. So as you can see Daksha, so it's all about She Shines. What is She Shines? Why did you even think of bringing this together? So let's find out. Hey Daksha, so what is She Shines all about?
Thank you Vaishali and for having me here. It's a great opportunity for us both to discuss about the event. I believe we both are very excited about this event. We had this thought from a very long time that this is something we are missing in the community and we really wanted to bring such concept. So that's hence we got She Shines. The reason behind was we felt that we should bring that platform in the community where we can get all the women's in under one room and then have such networking and some strong
share each other's stories,
very
inspire
powerful
each other.
Speakers as well. And as I said, speakers, we have got amazing lineup of the speakers. So it's all about sharing what the speakers will be sharing about their life experience and background. And I'm sure everybody in that room will definitely take away some valuable experience and talks from that event.
Inspiring stories, something to learn.
Absolutely. So in terms of speakers, we have got Paulette Combs. She is a very popular life mastery consultant.
She's also got the nice workshop lined up for us.
Yes, for the event. So that's gonna be very exciting. We are looking forward to it. Then we have got Namrata Rai. She's from a fitness background.
Then we have Mish McDonald's, who is in leadership.
Noor Sayed from IT, tech background in New Zealand health industry and leadership.
Then we have Georgia Densay, who is from
the governance
side, and she's teacher as well, so leadership skills as well.
And then we have got Rupal Solanki from theatre creative industry. So you can see that very diverse background, and you can imagine the talks that gonna happen. And then we last but not the least, Ariana Paura from a community background, multicultural, from native community. So it's a very powerful and diverse speakers background, and that's the thinking behind having this event, because we always believe in inclusivity, and you can see that this is where the direction is for this event.
So we can definitely learn something from each and every one of them.
Absolutely.
They will share their own stories, and then they will be sharing all the insights and definitely great values for us all to learn.
And then there is an opportunity for Q&A as well with the speakers, and then audience can also ask questions, and also they can have one-on-one networking corridor with them. And also post event, if they want to connect, it's an opportunity to have that one-on-one connection after the event. So speakers are always happy to have that conversation.
It will be good to meet them and ask questions whatever you like to. If we have any personal kind of personal coaching,
if you want some more personal, you are not comfortable in the event setting, you can definitely connect with them. So where is it, Vaishali?
Oh yes, that's right, at Hamilton Garden Cafe.
Oh,
and when is
beautiful.
When is it, Daksha?
It's on 7th of March, which is a Saturday, and it's from 3 p.m. and
High tea event.
That was the highlight actually for the event, and we really wanted to make it special. So high tea event, and
so definitely we can thank to our sponsors for that.
And it's a celebration of Women's Day, International Women's Day. So it's a great reason
for everyone,
I would say
together.
Great reason for all the women.
Who can come? Is it just for the working women, or
any women? Please, if you feel like I need some motivation, I want to learn something different, please do come. This is the platform for you guys. And just as I said before as well, you will get something out of the event, and you will learn something valuable, take away some valuable experience. So
Definitely.
for bringing this event, we want to thank our sponsors, Baljeet Townsend from Realty Lab. Then we have Digital Detox. We have Frankton McDonald's,
Drip in
Drip in a Minute Sari.
Then we have Glow Beauty by
Yeah,
Ranjana.
Desi Threads and Rooted Harmony.
Rooted Harmony.
And we were very mindful of what sort of sponsors we need because it's a women-centric event. All our sponsors are
Women in
women
businesses
in
or-
businesses, they are entrepreneurs. So
Itself is a great
it
inspiration.
gives us
isn't it?
immense pride getting these powerful women on board. And thank you so much all the sponsors for trusting us and believe in this concept. And we want to have this long-term relationship with them as well.
Then we have our printing partners, Web Tigers, who's always been supporting us. And
We have got our media and digital partners, Namaste Bharat, Kiwi Times, Auckland Musicals,
Webfit News, Raj Sarkar.
and DNZ. They are our digital partner.
Thank you. And photography partners.
Yeah, they always support us. So STN Photos, Ross Trafford Videography, and we have a new face this time, Uday Rathore from Nomad Click. So thank you everyone, and we have got JPM as well. So thank you everyone for coming on board all together and trusting this event, trusting our concept. Vaishali and myself, we are very, very grateful for all the support we are getting, and I believe everybody is excited about this event, and because we got some really good positive feedback that they haven't seen such concept in a very long time, I would say.
Yes.
So yes,
Yeah, a lot of excitement going on, and I think it is a limited seats with tickets,
oh yes,
right?
very limited seat. It's a very
So-
intimate event. So
We're going
please
fast as well.
get your tickets from Eventbrite. It's $25 and food is included plus any booking fee. So don't wait. Just grab your ticket and just get ready on Saturday and enjoy the Saturday and spend with us.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
Amazing.
see you there on 7th of.
we'll be there to welcome you. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
See ya.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.